Good morning. I will be doing a tour of my small farm. Um, so this is the tree section of the farm. This is an apple tree. This is the first year I have so many apples on this tree. I have about 4 different species of apple tree. Like almost every branch have an apple on it. So I'm very proud. I know they say take up to 6 years to start seeing fruits from your apple tree, and it still have blossoms on it. So all right, and this is a grapefruit. This is the potted plant. This is the first year. It gave so many fruits too. That is 2 right there. That is 1 right there. That is 1 over there. So grapefruit, it's big, so I didn't expect too many on this. And here is this citrus plant. This is a tangerine, and it have quite a few on it. Yep. What else? Let me walk around here. This is also an apple tree. Another apple tree right here. We have another tangerine right here, and this also have quite a few on it. This is also a potted plant. I need to do some weeding on this. I've been so busy with work. This is an orange plant, also potted. I need to do some weeding on this also. Doing very well. Okay, this is a pear. Now, yeah, do have pear on it. What else? This is lime. I don't see any on it actually. Last year I got quite a few from it, so we'll see. This is another orange plant. I have quite a few on it. Yeah. Ouch. This is cherry. This is the Barbados cherry. I got quite a few on it. I have a lot of blossoms on it. Y'all. Man, I don't remember the name of this plant. I know based on that fruit, everyone will be able to tell. One fell off right here, and this is also blueberry bush right here. This is the first year of that. This grew in very well. And this is a plum plant. I got this last year. This is my persimmon. This is also actually the first year. It is doing so well. We have quite a few persimmon on it. Quite a few, because usually the previous years when it got any fruit, they would just fall off. I think the only thing different I did this year was added some chicken manure around the roots. So I'm gonna do that next. You know, I did it I did that in winter, so it is doing very well. Have a lot of fruits on it. This is another persimmon plant, but I don't know what kind because it never bared anything. This is another persimmon. We have fruits, they're holding on strong. This is another one, yay, holding on strong. Have quite a few on it. So I'm proud of this. Very proud of this. Okay, so this is the last raised beds I did. They're doing very well. I have string beans putting out flowers. And this, some cucumber seeds I did putting out flowers also. And this is Asian spinach. Did that from seed also. Well, these are doing very well. I don't know. This is moringa. Very, very good plant. Help with immune system. Building your immune system. And also I have sugarcane. They're coming up very well. And very, very well. And also I have these two raised beds right here. These are mainly herbs. I do have some bell peppers on here. A lot of bell peppers on here. I do have my rosemary bush doing very good. And again, I also need to weed these stuff out, but I've been so busy. Look how pretty that is. Oh yeah. I have thyme. And this is like a cherry tomato plant. Like they're doing so well. I picked so much from it. I gave away some to clients. Okay, so this is my grape vine area. That's 4 cattle panels put together. This is doing well also. I have some grapes on it. They're coming up. So they're doing good. They're doing good. And this is another kind. Some small grapes on it. So that's good. And you know, tomato trying to fight his way through. So that's the grape area. This is the side of the property. I do have, I need to pick those. I need to pick these off. There's so many on this one plant. It's good. And also this tomato plant it's not stopped growing. It's just growing. It is just growing. Bell pepper, but tomato plant. Have some beef tomatoes, and also have some cherry tomatoes here. So I need to start picking on those. Some beef tomatoes here. Cherry ones, they're all over the place. Okay, here's another vine. This is I need to pick this before it's missing. And also I have this big Asian, I think it's Asian melon. This is another, oh, cantaloupe. This is another cantaloupe right here. You know, I have these tomato plants. Here, mint, of course, to repel insects. And these are my corn, growing super tall. These are actually the Jamaican seeds, so they're super tall. And let's start putting out corn, so I will get a good crop this year. Good crop. Look at all that. And of course, tomato plant. This is Leaf of Life. Also good to build your immune system. Good for cold. Any kind of, in that bracket, cold and sinus issues, and yeah, you make it, boil it, make the tea. Here we go. Tomato all over. Some beefy tomatoes. And that's a cucumber plant that just showed up in my garden, but I got some cucumber from it already. And of course, this side is my livestock. These are the girls outside. Look at this. Look how beautiful sunflower is. Plant. And these are the girls. Okay, of course, fish pond. Just going to feed them before I start work. I know. Already gave you guys food. It's in your house. All right, so everyone is good.